In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a debit or credit card to the Binance mobile app so you can use it to buy crypto. First things first, it's important to ensure you've completed all the prerequisites. Before we get started, make sure your Binance account is fully verified, which means you've successfully completed the identity verification or KYC process. This step is crucial because without a verified account, you won't be able to proceed with adding a card or performing transactions. Now, let's talk about the card itself. Ensure that the card you're planning to add is registered in your name and is eligible for international and online payments. It's also critical to check if your card supports crypto purchases, as some banks or issuers may block such transactions. Additionally, make sure you have the Binance app installed on your smartphone and that it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Having access to your card details is essential. This includes your card number, the expiration date, CVV code, and your billing address. Keeping these on hand will save you time during the process. Let's dive into the step-by-step instructions. First, open the Binance app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're in, look for the option Buy Crypto. It might also be labeled simply as Buy or Buy Coins, depending on your app's settings or updates. You'll typically find this option in the bottom menu of the app. Once you locate the Buy Crypto section, choose credit or debit card as your preferred method of payment. If you haven't yet added a card to your account, there should be a prompt or button labeled Add Card or plus Add Payment Method. Go ahead and tap on that to proceed. Now you'll need to input your card details. This includes entering the card number, the expiry date in the MMYY format, and the CVV, which is the 3-digit code typically found on the back of your card. Don't forget to include the name on the card exactly as it appears, along with the billing address, ensuring that this matches the information your bank or card issuer has on record. Sometimes, you may encounter additional verification steps. You might need to confirm a small authorization charge that Binance or your bank places temporarily to verify your card. Depending on your location, you may be asked to upload a photograph of your card showing a masked card number or a selfie holding the card. If identity verification hasn't been completed, you might be asked to provide an official document like a passport or government ID. Make sure to review any fees associated with card transactions on Binance, as these can vary based on your country, and also check the purchase limits that might apply daily or monthly. Once you've reviewed everything, confirm and save your card information. If all goes well, your card will be approved and will appear in your